What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. How you doing? As you can see from the title, man, I got best street food in Vietnam. Know what I'm saying? Like, yo, y'all been telling me, oh, if you come to Vietnam, the street food is amazing. You're gonna love it. So like, hey, I gotta check out them videos. You know what I'm saying? But if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. 15K, we're coming. There's nowhere around it. We're at 14.6 right now. Nah, saying thank you guys for 14.6, but hey, let's get to 14.7. You know what I'm saying? So hey, keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing. I love y'all. Nah, saying, hey, let's get straight to it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is like a SMR, eh? Shallot. Is that onions in Vietnam? So he's using new, like, this should be interesting. No cap, this should be interesting. Green onions, okay. I should take notes, man. I need that recipe, no cap. Rice paper. Green onions, okay. Chili paste. I just want to see the the end. Like, I know it's gonna look so good. It looks good already. He's using no oven. Like, you really need an oven to make a pizza, but if you know how to cook a pizza without no oven, like, you got talent. You know what I'm saying? Sausage. That looks good, man. I'm getting hungry. Hey. Mayonnaise. I never tasted mayonnaise on the pizza. Chili sauce. Is it good? Mayonnaise on the pizza? Comment down below. Let me know. I never tried that. That shit's really cooking. I can smell it from here. The cat. I think the cat is hungry. pause, man. That was the end of the video. Like, yo, like he got telling no cap to do a pizza without no ovens. Like that's, I thought it was gonna be like hard, but I guess there's other ways of doing pizzas. Like how he did it, was like he did it like a taco. Know what I'm saying? With little vegetable sauce, mayonnaise, eggs. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, it looks good. I gotta try that. But if you're new to the channel, so to like, subscribe, and share, man. Keep requesting down below which other reaction y'all want to see from me. You know what I'm saying? I'ma keep posting for y'all. The grind don't stop, man. We're gonna hit this 15K. There's no way around it. We just got to, man. So please share this video on Facebook, Twitter, whatever social media you're using. Please share this video, man. I really want the world to see how beautiful and how amazing Vietnam really is. You know what I'm saying? So like, I ain't gonna lie to you, at first, like, I didn't even know where was Vietnam. Like, I told myself, yeah, where is Vietnam? Where is that? You know what I'm saying? And I was checking out videos. Yeah, I was like, and I learned a lot, even more. And I'm very happy I did that, those researches, man. But hey, man, if you're new, like I said, subscribe down below. Follow my Instagram at JuiceOfficial 2Ls. I love y'all. I go by JuiceOfficial. He did say if you see me up in the street, you'd be like, hey, Jules, you did what I'm saying. I love y'all, and I'm talking way too much. I love y'all, and I'm out.